Seng College, Shillong, admission 2026. Admission open for CUET and non-CUET candidates in first semester FYUP for major courses in economics, education, English, history, Khasi philosophy, political science, and sociology. MDC and SEC courses are offered in commercial arithmetic and elementary statistics, culture and society, fundamentals of computer system, mathematics and daily life, philosophy of culture, cybersecurity, and personality development. VTC courses are offered in mushroom cultivation, desktop publishing, food and beverages services, event management, Khasi traditional music, baking and confectionery, and beauty care. Meritorious students will be eligible for fees concession. Admission will be in blended mode. For online admission, visit the college website, sengkhasicollege.in. Admission forms are also available at the college office.